Okay, in today's episode of Cooking with Brianna, and Ignore the Mess, I had this can of vegan refried black beans, but I haven't had like tortillas or chips. And I had some like lasagna noodles, and then I bought, again, ignore my mess, this zucchini from the farmer's market over the weekend. I was worried about it going bad, so I'm making something. You tell me what you would call this. I'm gonna call it some kind of casserole, but I'm just layering black beans, noodles, zucchini, and some garlic, and I'm gonna try to fit some bell pepper. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit both zucchinis, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one. But yeah, if you're like me, I love buying fresh produce, but then using it before it goes bad is a struggle. So here we are trying to use these zucchinis up. I'll let you know how it goes.